Hello viewers, this is Jubli Saikia and you're watching My News Any. Social media influencer and actress Sumi Bora has been released from the Dibrugarh Central Jail after spending 8 months in judicial custody in connection with a multi-crore trading scam that has rocked Assam. Here we are bringing you the full details. Sumi Bora released after 8 months. Guwahati High Court granted her bail. Trading scam involved high-profile accused. Public and media gathered at jail. Yes, viewers, social media influencer and actress Sumi Bora has been released from Dibrugarh Central Jail today after spending 8 months in judicial custody in connection with the multi-crore trading scam that rocked Assam. The development follows a major relief from the Guwahati High Court, which granted her bail in the final pending case registered at the Barbarua police station. With court offer, Sumi stands cleared of judicial custody in all cases linked to the scam, effectively opening the door to her full legal release. The court decision marks a significant turn in the controversial case that has drawn widespread attention across the state due to its scale and the involvement of high-profile individuals. The bail order comes just weeks after the Guwahati High Court granted bail on 3rd of May to her husband Tarkik Bora alias Tapan Bora and her alleged associate Vishal Phukan in the last remaining case pending against him. The alleged trading scheme involved luring investors with false promises of high returns, triggered multiple FIRs across Assam and led to a string of arrests. The trio Sumi Bora, Tarkik Bora and Vishal Phukan emerged as key accused in the high-stakes probe. As Sumi steps out of Dibrugarh Central Jail today, a crowd of people and media personnel gathered to witness the movement, reflecting the intense public interest surrounding the case. Yes, viewers, after 8 months in judicial custody, social media influencer Sumi Bora walked free from Dibrugarh Central Jail today. Her release follows a significant order from the Guwahati High Court, which granted her bail in the final case connected to the multi-crore trading scam that has gripped Assam. The High Court's decision means Sumi Bora is now legally clear of judicial custody in all cases related to the alleged financial irregularities. This pivotal development marks a turning point in a high-profile case that has gathered considerable public attention across the state, largely due to its scale and the individuals implicated. This latest bail order for Sumi Bora comes hot on the heels of similar relief granted to her husband Tarkik Bora . Yes, viewers, this latest bail orders for Sumi Bora comes hot on the heels of similar relief granted to her husband Tarkik Bora, also known as Tapan Bora, and their alleged associate Vishal Phukan. The Guwahati High Court had granted bail on 3rd of May in the last pending case. The trading scam, characterized by allegation of inciting investors with promises of exorbitant returns that never materialized, led to the numerous FIRs filed across Assam and a series of arrests. Sumi Bora, Tarkik Bora and Vishal were identified as central figures in ensuring high-stakes investigation. As Sumi Bora emerged from Dibrugarh Central Jail, she was met by a gathering of people and media representatives, all eager to witness her release, underscoring the instant public fascination with the unfolding narrative of the case. Yes, viewers, social media influencer Sumi Bora walked out of the Dibrugarh Central Jail today, securing release after 8 months of judicial custody in connection with the high-profile multi-crore trading scam that sent shockwaves across Assam. The release follows a significant bail order by the Guwahati High Court, which granted her relief in the final pending case lodged at the Barbara police station. With this development, Bora is now cleared of judicial custody in all registered cases related to the alleged scam. The case, which has been granted widespread media and public attention, saw Sumi Bora, her husband Tarkik Bora, and alleged associated Bishal Phukan emerge as key accused in an elaborate scheme involving fraudulent trading promises made to lure investors with returns. The scam that led to multiple FIRs and sweeping investigation across the state. Notably, the Guwahati High Court had earlier granted bail to both Tarkik Bora and Vishal Phukan on 3rd of May in the last pending case against them, paving the way for Sumi's subsequent release. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.